Well, it's another late night here on the adventure bus, and tonight we are putting in the rest of the walls, so we have most of them done. And then right now we're working on the bed frames. So we actually got bed frames from Amazon, and we're going to use those frame rails and of course the plywood slat or the pine slats, but we're not going to use the legs. So we're actually attaching it to the walls, and hopefully this works out, and this is going to be bunk beds. So let's get to it. We are well on our way to bunk beds. So we're going to take exactly what we did there, and we're going to put another bed up across there, so that's going to be 2. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing, put the rails across the bottom here, and then put the rails across the top there. We'll have another 2. And then back here in the darkness, yeah, you can't see. Back there, there'll be a double bed. So that'll be another 2. So that's 6 back here. Plus at the front, we have the couches that turn into beds as well. So we can fit another 2, maybe 3 up there. So all in all, the adventure bus is going to be able to carry quite a few people. So 2 in the back, 2 here, 2 there. That's 6, 7, 8, 9 in the front. We can probably carry 10 people, sleep 10 people in this bus. So that's completely awesome. We're gonna get back at it. We have to get the other 3 beds actually. We just had the 1 here. So we're gonna grab the other 3 and put them in. Probably in the morning because it's getting pretty late tonight, but stay tuned for the rest of the bedroom build on the adventure bus
tomorrow.
Well, welcome back to another day on the adventure bus. Whew, it's a windy one today. It's only -3 today versus yesterday it was -16. -16, I was only able to get the bus up to about, I think it was 10 or 11 degrees. So I just turned on both heaters about 40 minutes ago. I've gone to the locker to pick up some more of the beds because we're going to work on those today. So we've got her in 40 minutes. We've got her up to, what are we at? Oh, you can't see that. There's a light on this somehow. Well, there it is. We've got her up to 6.8. So, I don't know why that's backwards. Hopefully I can fix that and edit. Alright, so we're going to the back of the bus. I haven't shown you guys this yet. Ooh-wee! More money in there than some of the bedrooms in my house. Okay, so last night we put in this bed here. We're going to put another one on the top here. And then on this side, we're going to put another 2 beds. So this room will hold all 4 beds. And then back here, through the hallway and into the back, will be another double bed. I have no idea if that's going to turn out. All right, let's get to putting the top bunk on this guy right here. So that is what we are, close that, there we go. That's what we're working on. We're gonna put the top bunk up. Let's get to it. not really the way I should have unboxed it, but it worked. Because out of all the parts in here they're gonna give me, all I really want is slats. I won't be using any of this hardware. Packing material. 4 legs, which they're kind of used to now. I don't know if I can use the metal for something or not, but front and back of the bed, which I'm not going to use. There's the back, another leg, so 6 pieces of metal I'm not using. And this guy, right here, is what I want. Alright, so plan is now do the same thing we did with the lower one, and I'm going to bolt the frame, this metal frame, directly into the wall. And I still have this wall open, so if you can see, I actually have 2x4s, so the bolts are going into 2x4s in the back of the wall. So hopefully it'll be nice and strong. I think once it's finished, I still might put a piece of wood from here to here to the bottom side of this, just for extra support. So, all right, let's get it to installing the top bunk. Leg bolts, good and strong. Okay, time to do the window side. I have the mattresses